Commission, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. As well, all the honorable member in this August House, as we representing our own constituency, and obviously we have a big responsibility to take our state ahead. As legislator, we are called for a higher purpose, that of lawmaking. For me, this is not my first private member's bill. The first one, around a year ago, on agricultural land regulation, was defeated before I could even begin to explain in the House. Second time was last autumn session to repeal the Gaming Act, was also not supported. Although in this budget session, we see that the government has introduced a bill on the same subject. So I am positive that the effort of private members' bill is never a lost cause. Last year, around the same time, I had moved a resolution in the House for review and revamp of the state reservation policy. It was debated at length, but the resolution did not win support. A month later, in a case before the High Court of Meghalaya concerning the state reservation policy, the Honorable High Court passed an order for implementation of the roster system. Mr. Speaker, sir, we all know what sudden confusion and apprehension the roster system brought. And today, we are still seeing the effect. Besides, quietly or loudly, being unhappy with the roster system. As of now, we know a lot more that the state reservation policy is fraught with defect. The OM relates to job reservation alone. That is clear, and not to academic reservation. So if, let's say, another case comes before the High Court challenging the validity of reservation in allotment of seat to medical, allied and engineering courses, etc., by application of the state reservation policy, imagine what hardship it could bring to students of the state. Hence, with a view to preempt any fallout of the legal defects of academic reservation being currently practiced by the state government, I implore on all honorable members of the House, cutting across all party lines and across all constituencies, to kindly lend support to this private members' bill, which is most essential for securing the academic future of the young people of the state. Lastly, please let us not fail in our responsibility and vision as a legislator. With these few words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I now seek leave to introduce the Meghalaya selection of candidates for state quota seat to higher academic courses, Bill 2023. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I'll resume my seat.
Now, under Rule 71 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I have allowed you to make a brief explanatory statement on the bill. Now, let me put the question before the House. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the Meghalaya selection candidates for the state quota seats to higher academic courses, Bill 2023. Those who are in favor say aye. Those who are in favor say against say no. The noes have it, the noes have it. The motion is not carried and the leave to introduce the bill is not granted. The bill is therefore rejected by the House.